So people who are reading about hair thinning or losing their hair often see the term hair miniaturization. And what that means is that the hair follicles that used to be really thick and coarse are getting smaller over time. And there's a specific reason that that happens. And that happens in a type of hair loss called androgenetic alopecia, or pattern hair loss. What's causing that is that the patients that have this type of hair loss have an enzyme in the hairs in the top of the scalp and in the crown that converts testosterone to another compound called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. And DHT causes those hairs in those areas to get smaller, thinner, finer, and then fall out. So I wanted to talk to you today about a medication that we recommend for all those patients who have thinning of their scalp hair, but especially patients who are undergoing a transplant. That medication is called finasteride, or the trade name is Propecia. The medication is very specific about what it does. It prevents the conversion of testosterone to another compound called DHT. And DHT is the chemical that's responsible for making the hair get thinner, finer, and smaller, and then fall out. So the real key with finasteride is to start it as soon as you can if you start seeing hair loss, because it can really prevent a lot of loss if you start it early. It's also really important to take it consistently and realize that you really need to suppress that enzyme conversion from testosterone to DHT in order to really preserve and keep your thick hair. We also recommend that you stay on it long term, because if you stop, that enzyme is going to start working again and you're going to start getting the thinning and the miniaturization of the scalp hairs all over again.